and then we're gonna use the door to pick the airplane up. I'm going to hunt for some coffee for Sam.
We found Starbucks.
What do you want?
I want all of it.
You want a coffee or something? We're at Home Depot to get airplane parts. We did not find what we needed. Not Home Depot.
I had to run upstairs real quick. We're going out to lunch with Nate and his girlfriend Brooke.
So we are putting some new tread on these tires and we couldn't find a way to pick it, so we took some bolts out of this door and we're putting eye bolts in there, and then we're going to use the door to pick the airplane up. It's a Patey Faso collaboration.
We're getting creative. We put in some eye bolts that are tied directly into the weld brackets of a 30-inch truss beam that goes the entire length and ties directly onto hydraulic lifts. So this is
Well, there you go. You're off.
so higher power doors. I know you didn't mean this to happen, but we did it anyway.
Vroom, vroom.
Yeah, that's the throttle, huh, buddy?
Yeah,
He throttle.
he has instinct for that.
We are putting some more rubber on these tires because there's a little wear spot. So to prevent that, we're coating them in bed liner. We know of a few other people who did it. And Mike Patey here is helping. This is Mike's Wilga tail wheel. Look, this is Mike's Wilga tail wheel because it's all of the plane we are allowed to show you. It's beautiful.
If there's a shot, Kyle will find it.
Just hung out with Mike and drove the Maserati.
How was it?
That was really fun. I ripped that thing all over the place. He's like, give us some gas. Come on. Yeah, we're on our way to this canyon hike that's supposed to be amazingly beautiful, but there's a thunderstorm coming right over us right now.
I think it's blowing over it. Standing water possible 5 miles ahead.
Ready to go.
Are you? You're always gonna be crying because it's gonna
Be a little
blow
wet.
you.
It's not that bad. Oh, it's actually worse than I thought. Look at that. Are you good?
We're babies.
Why do I always have to pee when I need to do something fun? That'd be so bad.
It's really windy and cold.
It's ridiculously windy and cold, and I'm
So-
dressed for sun.
We're deciding not to go.
Look at what I'm wearing right now.
Well, it was hot when we left.
It
but
was really hot when we
It's
left.
Utah and we're discovering that the weather changes. Woo.
I'm gonna help Mike glue some stuff, some leading edges on the Wilga today, while my tires dry. And I think Mike and I might take turbulence up later, and I'll put a ghost cam on that. It's the fastest single engine turboprop in the world. Mike and I are about to take up the fastest What?
Single turbine.
Single turbine ever in the world.
Let's go turn it upside down. We're gonna put a parachute on this boy.
All right.
All right.
Hey.
Come on.
Wait, why do you get a parachute?
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
That's okay. It's all right to feel a little nervous.
We went in really fast
We went
airplanes
in
today.
Yeah, I went in the fastest turboprop in the world.
He always gets the fun shit.
You had fun,
I had so much fun.
and he did a barrel roll, and he also did a double loop. So basically, like going this way, flipped us, and then scooped it down.
See, I
under.
think I could do that because
But
we
he
put-
pulled 3 Gs doing that. It was awesome.
No, we did when we did ours, definitely. I thought we were gonna do a loop-de-loop.
It was freaking awesome.
It was so cool. It was the best thing ever. Mike just brought me coffee. We're gonna be out of the apartment by around noon today. Pack up, fly around. We're meeting with the beach house people at around 4 with the Flying Cowboys. We're gonna do a collaboration with them, and then we're gonna find a place to camp tonight. They're taking us out to Zupas.
Never been to Zupas.
Zupas!
Oh, I put the tires back on, and then I realized that a couple of my brake pads look pretty bad. I knew I had to change those too, and I couldn't just change the 2, so I changed all of them. And then I gotta drag the brakes around the airport here a little bit.
You're gonna pump the left brake.
Yeah.
Pump.
Oh wait, where am I? Pumping.
Hold it.
So how are you guys?
So good.
Other than the allergy thing.
Good otherwise. Yeah, very good.
We've been staying up there. Tonight we're gonna camp. That's the Flying Cowboys.
That's the Cowboys. I knew it from when I saw it.
Yes.
So what we're doing is we kind of have this skit. We're going treasure hunting, and so we get treasure maps, and the treasure map leads us to a destination. You guys are going to be doing this airplane with Kyle. So this is Kyle.
Hello.
He's going to take us all for a ride today.
Are you excited, Ellie? Yeah. Yeah?
I'm taking up. Who am I taking up? Corbin.
Corbin. Where's Corbin?
Right over here.
You're going first?
Yeah,
Nice. Are you excited?
yeah. I can hear you.
Okay, what's your name?
Corbin.
Corbin. Nice to meet you. Are you about ready to go here?
Yeah.
3, 2, countdown. Say hit it.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you have a great time?
Yeah.
Were you laughing?
Yeah. The red one.
You want to ride in the red one?
Oh, look at that smile. That is precious.
Did you like it? Was that so much fun?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Look!
Yes.
And what do you want to be when you grow up now?
A bush pilot.
You want to be a bush pilot? Whoa.
All right, we just arrived at Huntington. Moments before sunset.
That's how we do.
I started this fire with avgas. It was great. How are you? Sam and I just had dinner. It was chicken broth with chicken. This like kind of sucks, but it's also so awesome. I don't know what to do.